Hello, viewers. Welcome to my channel, SNSRB Investor. In tonight's video, I'm going to take a look at Vertiv, ticker VRT. So this was a stock that had a trend change pretty early on, actually before the market bottomed. So you would have seen this before we had the market low in October. And this is the weekly chart. So if we just take a quick look at the trend, and then once this trend was established here, change of personality, we can also see that relative strength was coming down, so the stock was underperforming. Then all of a sudden, even though the stock nominally was trading down, the relative strength line compared to the S&P 500 actually started to show a little bit of promise, so outperformance against the benchmark index, which told us that something different was now happening with this stock. So the stock's in a base at this stage and continues, and then we get a cup formation, and we get the breakout week here on massive volume. So that's breakout week. I'm going to switch over to the daily chart just for the rest of the run, so we can focus on that. So this was where the early buy was. This is inside the base. This was the standard buy where it took out the high of the left side of the cup formation, and we can see not only do you get the gap up, but in terms of average true range finishes, fairly high on super high volume. And from this point, the stock has just moved on up. It gives you another little consolidation here, and then a gap up here, which you could add to. So we're going to ignore the add, and we just take a look at the standard buy. The stock has continued to move on up in strength, and as it currently stands, if we took the standard buy area, so that's about 108% or thereabouts to the close of this week, and the stock has not given a sell signal. Plus, you had the opportunity to add to your position, so you can even have a greater return than what's being shown here. If we go back to the daily, the weekly, so the weekly we can see that stocks just moved up pretty, and it's had pretty good accumulation weeks along the way. It's a big week up here, maybe earnings continue to bust up. Another potential, so there's an ad over here. There's another potential ad over here as well. May move up your cost of average. Either way, so since the April breakout, and that would give you a bigger return, but over here, which is early, actually May, around May 26th, that week was a breakout. From there, the stock has just showed immense strength and still in play, even though the market itself has had a couple of wobbles along the way. And as of this taping, markets are really under stress in the current uptrend. But here you can see on the weekly how resilient the stocks move up has been relative to the benchmark as well. Okay, so this is one of the big winners of the year, and I did a video on some of those stocks that if you had picked up any of those in your portfolio, you would be having a good year. That's it for now. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.